So let's assume you made a lot of coins of this particular coin. All right, so let's assume you made 4 million worth of who heave coin. All right, so you are going to be getting 1,732 US dollar. As you can see, you can exchange this and convert it to USDT or BOS, and you can easily withdraw it to your bank account. All right, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel we talked mostly blockchain and finance. So if you want to be receiving video regarding to this, don't forget to please click the like of this video, subscribe, and make sure you turn the bell icon on to make sure you don't miss any of my future content. All right, so in this video that's exactly what we are going to be discussing, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you, how to earn this particular coin, and you can easily convert it to USDT or BOS, and it's sellable. Okay, now I believe most of you guys have this particular question to ask, if this particular coin is sellable or if it is withdrawable. Yeah, you can easily withdraw this particular coin direct to an exchange. I'm going to be showing you this exchange that this particular coin is listed on. It's not Binance, or it's not on Airbag, on Hotbit, but it's on exchange that you can easily sell and they'll withdraw your money. All right, now to do this, let's first of all go to the CoinMarketCap. This is CoinMarketCap. Okay, this is CoinMarketCap. Okay, let's search for this coin. All right, so let's search for this coin. This is the coin. This is the coin, and let's scroll down carefully. Let's scroll down carefully. Okay, this is the coin, and let's see the exchange that this coin is listed on, where you can easily sell this particular coin. All right, as you can see, this particular coin is listed on Probit Global and LAT Token here. Okay, here is it. You can easily sell it up on LAT Token or Probit and Global Exchange. Here is it. So you can easily sell up your coin from there and convert it to either BOS or USDT. Then you withdraw your money direct to your bank account. All right, now to get started with this, you have to make sure you click on the link and make sure you are invited by me, because if you are invited by me, you are going to be getting a large amount of coin that you can easily start accumulating. All right, so let me quickly open this particular platform. Successfully created your account. This is exactly what I'm going to be saying. It's just like social media, where you can create a post, and each post that you create, you are increasing the chance to earn unlimited coin. All right, so you just have to stay active and start logging in. Let me quickly show you my account balance. All right, this is my account balance, and let me show you. Okay, this is the coin that I've accumulated so far. Here is it. All right, as you can see, it's real and it's legit. And your question, if this is withdrawable, you can easily withdraw this whenever you want. All right, by clicking on this 3-line icon or 3-dot icon. So once you click on this 3-dot icon, all right, we have a wallet details. We have withdrawn token, deposits, taken, connect to ETH wallet or HEP. Then you just have to click on withdraw token. So once you click on withdraw token, you will be redirected to this place, where you'll be asked to provide either your MetaMask or your Mate or your InToken wallet address. All right, so you just have to click on agree and continue. All right, so if you are here, and I believe you will be able to you will be familiar with the question that I'm going to be asking you. From there, you can easily withdraw your coin to any exchange. If you want to add this coin to your Trust wallet, it's very easy. All you just need to do, you just have to go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, then you search for this coin. You search for the coin. All right, you search for the coin, this. Then you click on it. All right, so once you click on it, you scroll down, you click on this contract. You click on this contract. Okay, you click on this contract, then you click to copy this to clipboard. All right, you click to copy this to clipboard here. So as you can see, copied. Then you go back to your Trust wallet. then you click on this icon here. Click on this icon. So once you click on it, then you click on this plus icon. You can just paste the address that you have copied to clipboard there, but for more educational sake, you click on this plus icon, then you'll be redirected to this place. Then you just click to paste, because this is an interior blockchain coin. Then you click to paste. Automatic, it's going to show you the coin and the decimal and then everything. Then you click on save. So once you save it, then this is exactly what you're going to be seeing. Okay, as you can see, it's having statistic. All right, so let's click on this and see. Here is it. Here is it. Now this is exactly what you need to do to start earning this particular coin, and it's withdrawable and sellable, or you can easily stake it and start accumulating more as time goes on. All right, so if you have any questions to ask regarding this video, I would quickly love to hear from you guys by using the commenting section of this video, and if I find your comment, I'm going to give you the best answer that I can. And if you love this video, don't forget to please give a like. That is the best part, that we be noticed that, oh, what I'm doing is very helpful to my community. All right, then I will be eagerly to provide more for you guys. All right, if you have any question to ask regarding this video, I would quickly love to hear from you guys in the commenting section of this video. And if I find your comment, I'll be very grateful to give you the best answer I can. And please, if it's your first time of watching, visiting my channel, don't forget to please click a like, click the subscribing icon of this video, subscribe, and make sure you turn the bell icon on to make sure you don't miss any of my future content. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. I love you.